What's up guys? So today we're going to do a review of the solid silicone license plate frame on the back of the Mazda CX-5. So I haven't felt the need to put this type of license plate protection or frame on most of my cars, like my Honda Fit here, for example, because the Honda here has these nifty plastic separators that rest between your metal license plate and the metal. But you can see here on the Mazda, the license plate just screws straight into the metal of the hatch with nothing in between. So that metal is just resting straight on this metal. And I think the only reason this hasn't gotten scratched up here is because the dealer installed the license plate with this plastic piece behind it, like this. But now I want to replace this with something much nicer like this. So this install is super easy. Here's what the license plate frame looks like. It's a soft silicone. Feels pretty nice to the touch. And a nice thing is there's a top and a bottom, and on the bottom there's some drainage. So you know this won't collect water there and rust out your plate. And all we need to install it is slide this license plate in, which is really easy because the silicone is so soft and flexible. It's not a firm rubber. And that also makes me think it's not likely to scratch your metal hatch either. So it looks like this. That's the top, and here's the bottom with that drainage. And now I'm just going to screw it on. The only difference, I'm going to reuse these original screws. They have different threading from these that came with the solid frame. Just be careful to align it so you don't scratch your paint. And I would personally screw these in by hand to not cross thread. And there we have it, the solid silicone license plate frame installed on the back of the CX-5. It looks good, fits good, and no opportunity for rattles, and protects your license plate from scratching your hatch. Here's the frame I've got installed on the CX-5 the past 3 to 6 months or so. You can see no wear or anything on it, just a little dirty. So really nice, and thanks to Solid for mailing me this free sample at my request. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link to this in the description below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.